Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix food burning on the bottom of the THERMOMIX TM7 bowl. If your food is burning, then it's either because too little liquid was added to the dish, no stirring speed is set, or too low speed is set. So if you go to the manual mode, then you can set the speed to something higher. And also the option might be either no cap on top of the lid that may evaporate too much liquid of the of your dish. So that is the thing. And if you're using open cooking, because there's this open cooking mode that allows you to cook without the lid, then you need to stir your food manually with the spatula or something else. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.